Hi, it's Curious Nisha. Please subscribe if you have liked this video. By the way, if you have Twitter account or X account, please do follow me on my username at Curious Meownix. Thank you. Anyway, for today, we have another update for our dearest Shenyu. She was spotted at the airport, arriving in Changsha, China. And this is for the filming of Hello Saturday. And yeah, for that episode to be aired on June 23, noon time. For the said live streaming, the team lineup would be from the Hello Saturday would be Tan Yanxi, Meng Iya, Meng Si, Li Shuqian, Ding Chengxin, Yang Di, and from the Chinese restaurant season 9, Xiao Ming, Yang Yan, Ding Yushi, Shen Yu, Sai Xiaowen, and Yin Haoyu. Well, this is interesting since Shen Yu got 2 variety shows for this month of June. And yeah, we are so happy to see more of her in the media stream. Anyway, you are seeing these beautiful pictures of Shen Yu, her outfit at the said airport, and some pointed out that she was wearing this somehow see-through top with a matching white tube inside of her garment. And yeah, we love to see her in her casual but a bit somehow cute casual, but a bit of showing how petite, how sexy she is. And yeah, and I think Shen Yu has already been relaxed and able to have this look for the said travel. So which one is your favorite? Anyway, moving on to Dylan Wang update. He was spotted leaving a restaurant after having dinner with his boss from Never Give Up. And you are seeing these pictures and video clips from the said dinner. And look, Dylan Wang, how casual he was wearing. Just a simple black hat and a black top and a brown pants. And also someone pointed that this man that Dylan Wang was gently assisting. I think he is the actor that he worked with in the same drama. So yeah. And that's it. So we are happy for Dylan Wang. You know how he is so still friendly with his past co-stars, and I'm glad that he is still the same man that we have known since Meteor Garden days. And that's it for Dylan Wang. Anyway, so since Shen Yu will be filming in the Hello Saturday show, hopefully Dylan Wang will be there too, because we all know that Dylan Wang is also a part of the Hello Saturday team. So let's wait for the best, and hopefully there will be some good news for our Dishan babies.